Hello, this is Jason Bryce reporting from North Shore at Drawson, bringing you the weather for the week. What a beautiful day it is to do a weather recording. We're on the Ayrshire coast just now, we're in the Drawson area. Right across the sea there, the Firth of Clyde, that's Arran, known as Scotland in miniature. Its peak Goat Fell is about just short of Monroe level, and the low-lying areas are so beautiful. We've got beautiful standing stones, gardens, all sorts of things in Arran. Wonderful, beautiful places to visit. And just down there we've got a bird sanctuary. It's called Forsyth. No one's allowed on Forsyth. And behind it you may manage to see a little blue peak. That's Aylshire Craig, and Aylshire Craig is the granite island, so the volcanic structure of Arran, and that's where a lot of the granite stones and a lot of the further stones were there at Aylshire Craig. Pointing me further up the coast, this is such a beautiful day to do it. We've got Westcombe, we've got Largs there, and we've got Fairley. You're looking at the Fairley Moors just over there, the little hills. Just a little bit beyond that, behind it you may see some hills just sticking out the water. That's Great Cumbria and Small Cumbria, Millport, or where they have a Buddhist retreat. Incidentally, they have another Buddhist retreat just across there in Arran on Holy Isle, which isn't too visible just now. It was round about the little dip there just after the mountain range. Greenock is right up there, right up the Clyde estuary, and if you look at the hills behind Arran, that's Kintyre. So Paul McCartney in his famous song Will of Kintyre is taken over there. Okay, the weather is beautiful, I don't need to tell you that. It's amazing to see the sun out. The sun is very strong, and I'd like to emphasise that point this week. There's been a lot of solar flare activity of late, so the sun has had solar storms. Sometimes that represents itself here as it enters our atmosphere as the northern lights or the southern lights, aurora borealis, but at the moment it's presenting some real strong sun. Of course, we are in the week of midsummer, midsummer being the 21st, the solstice, so we are in the peak of the sun is so high in the sky. This is late afternoon and the sun is way up high in the sky. So we're talking about a sun index. Some models were saying 6 today, the BBC were saying 6 today, the Met Office were saying 6 today. I saw some reports saying 8 today for this area here in Scotland, and to be quite honest with you, I think 7 or 8 really is hitting the mark. But what that means is that if you don't have sun protection cream on and you are of a normal or a fair skin type, that you will incur sunburn in 20 minutes between 11 o'clock and 3 in the afternoon. So it's so important right now to take care of yourself in the sun. If you've not been exposed to it, maybe avoid the midday sun, put some clothes on, obviously, and put some sunscreen on as well, just to get you used to the sun, because it's not going away. If you've taken a holiday at this point, it's a fantastic time for it. High pressure, which has really been affecting us here in the northwest for quite some time now, it's still got a firm grip, just like Phil has with the dog there, of our weather, and it's dominating the weather. It's beautiful. There's a huge high out in the Atlantic. It's just pushing in. It's bringing in a slight northerly flow around the eastern flank of it. So obviously if you're in a North Sea area, it's not maybe going to be quite as warm as it is in the west of Scotland, northwest England, Wales, southern England, southwest England, where you're going to see some beautiful temperatures. But it is really worth noting actually in the next 3 days that Glasgow should see the peak temperatures, and I wouldn't be surprised if we're talking about between 23, 25, we might squeeze a 26 somewhere in the Glasgow area. The coast is quite favoured because winds generally aren't blowing onshore, so you might see 27 this week in the next couple of days in some parts of Scotland, and 27 in old money is 81 degrees Fahrenheit. That's pretty good for time of year. It should be about 17 degrees as we approach mid-late June. So it is starting out to be a bit of a flaming June here in the west of Scotland. For the rest of the week we're going to have variable amounts of sunshine and variable amounts of cloud. It's just pinpointing the detail, just liking to give you a kind of trend for the next 2 weeks just now, and obviously we'll nail the details down as time goes on. I think very settled, very nice, very sunny, very warm, particularly inland and in western areas until Thursday. By Thursday, there's a possibility that a frontal system may try and work its way down from the northwest. It's not going to be too active when it arrives in the northwest because it's bumping into this high pressure that's well and truly establishing itself. In fact, there's another ridge just behind the front, and that's where I have a pretty optimistic feeling for a good weekend to Scotland next weekend too. But that frontal system should bring some showers in on Thursday. Those showers are going to probably migrate down southwards and eastwards throughout the country. Eastern Scotland being affected by them on Friday. Could turn out to be quite heavy, 1 or 2 thunderstorms involved in them as they move further south and further east. It's going to leave us with a pressure regime. The temperature's definitely about 17 degrees to 22 degrees up north, and nearer 22 degrees to 24 degrees down south. A general cooling trend going on through the weekend. I'm very optimistic that it's going to clear away, and that big ridge of high pressure is going to re-establish itself, connecting from the Azores. Should bring some really nice warm air in, and let's hope that that continues throughout June. Thanks for watching the forecast. I hope you've enjoyed the sound of the waves. Not been too distracted by the dog. Thank you, Phil. Thank you. What a glorious day. Goodbye everyone. Jason Bryce, Synergy Weather. Thank you.